Hello viewers. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into a tasty topic. Peanut butter banana oatmeal and how it can be your secret weapon in the weight loss game. Before going ahead, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon. That way, you'll be the first to catch all our informative videos. So let's move to our topic and break it down. Incorporating oatmeal and peanut butter into your weight loss journey isn't just about the flavors. It's about the benefits they bring to the table. You see, oatmeal is like the fiber superhero that keeps you feeling full and helps with digestion. And then we've got peanut butter. It's not just a yummy spread. It's packed with healthy fats and protein that'll keep you satisfied and well nourished. Now, let's talk about what goes into making this scrumptious peanut butter banana baked oatmeal. Picture this: ripe bananas. The ones that are basically begging to be used up. These little guys are the natural sweetener and moisture magic that make this breakfast treat taste amazing without adding any extra sugar. And trust me, the riper the bananas, the more flavor they bring to the party. And speaking of parties, let's invite some stars to join in. Creamy peanut butter or almond butter, take your pick. They're not just lending flavor, but also giving that richness and structure to our oatmeal creation. Then, we've got eggs, fluffing up the mix and holding everything together like a champ. But it's not just about the wet stuff. Our oats need some liquid love. So we're adding in non-dairy milk, oat milk, almond milk, soy milk. They're all in the running to make these oats soft and tender. And here come the oats themselves, the true heart of the recipe. Old-fashioned oats, brimming with fiber and complex carbs that are just what the weight loss doctor ordered. They're filling and oh so satisfying. Now, let's talk flavors. A dash of ground cinnamon for warmth, and a pinch of sea salt to elevate all those flavors. Oh, and don't even think about skipping the sea salt. It's the secret to making this dish truly sing. And for the chocoholics out there, chocolate chips make a cameo. Those gooey pockets of chocolate are a delightful surprise that you won't want to miss. But if you're watching your sugar intake, you can skip these little gems. Feeling fancy? Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract for that extra oomph. And how about some chopped walnuts or pecans? They're like the bonus round of warmth and nuttiness. Totally optional but highly recommended. Now, let's discuss the method. Preheat that oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking pan. Whisk those wet ingredients together till they're creamy and dreamy. Mashed banana, peanut butter, milk, and eggs, they're all in on this creamy party. Once the wet gang is all mixed up, toss in the dry crew, oats, cinnamon, and sea salt. Give it a good mix. Throw in the chocolate chips if you're indulging, and pour it all into the baking pan. Top with more chocolate chips if your sweet tooth is calling. Pop that pan into the oven and let the magic happen for about 40 to 50 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the oatmeal is set and golden brown. But here's the catch: let it cool for 20 minutes before slicing. That's the secret to those perfectly held together squares. Now comes the fun part. Serving. Drizzle on some peanut butter, a sprinkle of powdered sugar, or a dollop of yogurt, fresh fruit like banana slices or blueberries, and a touch of maple syrup can take it to the next level. And there you have it. A breakfast that's not only delicious, but also your ally in the weight loss journey. So go ahead, give it a try and let me know how your peanut butter banana oatmeal turns out in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe to our YouTube channel.